Hello beautiful! This video is showcasing my styling experience with Brett Jamison, stylist at Bloomingdales, San Francisco. He chose 5 looks which fit my personal style, but elevated it. I truly enjoyed the experience. All outfit details will be linked below. If you would like to book a styling session with Brett, I will link his contact info in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. You can also follow me on IG at hello_beautiful89.